explain single number problem from LeetCode. In this video I am going to explain frequency counter pattern. If we solve this problem using frequency pattern, we can also solve the advanced version of single number problem. This to medium level problem, we can easily solve this problem also. In this video I am going to solve these three problems. Let's code. I am going to declare empty object here like frequency. I'm just copy this. I'm open snippet for better understanding. So I'm open snippet here. Open new snippet for single number. Then I paste it. Then I console log off. I'm just invoke the function here. Within the function I'm going to declare sum of the number 1 2 3 2 3 2 1 1. Here the 3 is the single number, so we are going to return 3 here. Then I am going to use for loop here. Let I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, then I plus plus. Here I am going to use ternary operator, which means if our number is already presented in the object, we are just going to increment the count of the number. Like if number of I is already present in the object, I am just going to increment that number here like 1. If the number is not presented here, I am just going to declare 1. In the first iteration, 1 is going to be loop. The number of 1 is not presented here, so it will initialize the value of 1, and then 2 here. The same procedure is when the 2 is going to this loop, it check number of 2 is already in the frequency object. Yes, it is already in the frequency object, so it add one number into this value. If we log frequency, you can see the output clearly. I made a mistake. The frequency of number okay, num is not defined. Okay, it's nums. Here you can see the object. So here I am going to use for in loop to iterate the object. Which value is 1? I am just going to the return that key, like for let key in object. The object is frequency here. I'm just going to let's log the key here first. If we log key here, you can see the output 1 2 3. This is the key. So if we log, I'm going to check if condition here. If frequency of key, which is the key here, frequency of key equal to 1, I'm just going to return that key. If I clear the console log, see we get the output 3 is the single number here. So if I copy this and go to LeetCode, here I'm going to paste, then run the program. See, we have an error because whenever we get the key from the object type is string here. Like if we use the console log out type of operator, type of key, here you can see the key is string here, so we need to convert this key in number. So I'm just going to number of key here. If we run the program, See, we get the output here. I'm just submit the program. It accepted successfully. Then I'm going to copy this, then go to the medium level problem, which is single number 2. I'm just take this and paste and then submit here. See, it also accepted successfully because we are using the frequency counter pattern here. So if I submit the program, it also accepted successfully. Then go to single number 3. Here we are just going to return the array here. We are not going to return the single number, we are going to return multiple numbers here. So I'm using just a second, I'm using prettier here. Then copy here and then paste here. Here I'm going to declare new array, then I'm going to push the values because we are going to return the value using arrays here. You can see the output is array of values. So I'm going to new array using, I'm going to use push operator here, new array dot push. I'm going to use key here, then return new array, then new array here. I'm just run the program. See, because I'm already told the new array string here, I'm going to use number of new array. I run the program. I think this is the error here. So if key equal to 1, I'm going to push number of, let's see the console here. The 3 output is, so if we use the 4 here, what will be the output? It is written nan number dot push of, we are going to push like number of key here, and just return new array here. Now you can see the output here, single number 3, paste this line, then I'm going to return new array here. Yep, we get the output. Submit the program. Here it is accepted successfully. You can ask question, the time complexity is not beat, only it beat 47%. I'm just focusing on the pattern. Most of the people just come to LeetCode to randomly choose the problem and solve this problem. That is not a good way. Most of those see only number of problems. We can see we can focus on number, instead of number of problem we can focus on number of patterns, because it will help a lot in interview. That's why I'm using frequency pattern. Next video I'm going to explain sliding window pattern or two pointer pattern. I'm just learning these patterns. When I learn this pattern, I will definitely put video on YouTube. And then this is it guys in this video. We will see in the next video. Tata.